So I'm just going to show you guys how to easily clean the air filter on a Ibis 4 air conditioner. Just get a normal butter knife. This little, I don't know what you call it, where you stick your little knife in there. Just bring it out like that, and just as easy as that. So I find when we're on the road, these get really dirty, really dirty. That's not dirty, I only cleaned this a couple of days ago, but I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was. Just do that, and then we just come over here, and we just mainly just rinse it under the water. Just like that. I won't bore you too much with it, but I've got to get a towel, so I'll go get a towel, hang on. So I find after you wash it, you either just pat it down or leave it to dry. Normally I leave it to dry so it doesn't go mouldy, but normally it's hot and it dries pretty fast. Then it's just a matter of sticking it back, finding a little slot, sticking it back, and that's it, done. Then just do the other side, is exactly the same as that. Just pop it out, and that's it, done. Just pat it dry. Obviously it'll be a lot drier than that, and then you just stick it straight back in. A lot of people take them apart, but I find that that's easier.
Probably if you wanted to do a deep clean, if you've been on a really dusty road, hey, you could take it all apart.
But every week, you've got to pretty much clean them every week.
Yeah.
So thanks guys for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button. You're doing it now, aren't you?
Oh, why not?
I'll normally let it dry longer than that, so it doesn't go mouldy and stuff. And then it's just easy. It's just